Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, twice the measure of an angle is half the measure of its supplement. What is the measure of an angle? Let x be the measure of an angle, that is measure of a required angle, then its supplement is given by 180 minus x, because the supplementary angles add to 180 degree. So here from given twice the measure of an angle, that is 2x, is half the measure of its supplements, that is it will be 1/2 into 180 minus x. Now multiply both the sides by 2, we get 4x equals to 180 minus x. Now add x to both the sides, we get, this is from given. So here after adding x to both the sides, we get 5x equals to 180 degree. Now divide both the sides by 5, we get x equals to 180 by 5, that is 36 degree. Hence measure of an angle is 36 degree. So from available options, we have option A as 36 degree.